Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Agoda app not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data as a weak connection can prevent the app from working properly. Next, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and reopen it. Then, temporary glitches can often cause the app to stop working. Then restart your phone and to refresh the system and clear any background issues affecting the app. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Agoda and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store, as updates usually fix bugs and improve performance. Now, if the issue still continues, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove any corrupted files and install a fresh version. If it still does not work, the problem may be due to temporary server issues, so wait a few minutes and try again. That's how you fix the Agoda app not working. Subscribe